Hi, and welcome back to Fresh BCSC Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite Chrome extensions for helping sustain motivation and focus while you're watching YouTube videos. And that particular extension is called Turn Off the Lights. What Turn Off the Lights does is it turns off any ads, playlists, or comments and distractions when you're watching videos on YouTube and actually focuses on the YouTube video that's playing. Now, it only works if you're not in full screen mode. If you're in full screen mode, all of those other things are gone anyway. So it's more for casual viewing if you're working on multiple things and you really just want to pay attention to the video. So this is something that your students could add or you could add as the teacher. Just know that if you do try to add this extension and it doesn't work right away, you might need to get in touch with your technology department to see that they can unblock it so you can add it more freely. So to add this, it is a Chrome extension, so you need to be using Google Chrome. I would go to the Chrome web store and search for Turn Off the Lights, and I would click Add. I already have it, so that's why it's not there. But after I've added it, it will show across the top here as one of my extensions. If it doesn't, and you have lots of them like me, it might be hidden over here in the three-dot menu with your other extensions. Once I have added it, I'll need to first go to a YouTube video. This one. You how to use one of my, so you don't have to listen to me talk there. But there's lots of things going on here on the right-hand side that might be distracting to me as a teacher or even to my students when I'm playing this video. So what I would need to do is click the Turn Off the Lights extension. And if it doesn't work right away, it might ask to have permission to use your site. But after you've added it, it's really helpful because it's really focusing in on just this video, not everything else. So again, might be helpful for your students, minimizes the threats and distractions if we're taking it from a UDL standpoint. It might be that extra boost to help them stay on task. I hope you like it and let us know what you think.